Good morning, students. Last four part we were learned about the many things. Hmm? In this last part, that means the fifth part, we will learn about the end of this story. This is the last part, the end part of this story. First, I will read this first para and then I will give explanation to you. One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor, and encampment had been set up on one of the smaller islands. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. They did not want to the crew to think they were savage. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as the Jenny's. To everyone surprised, it has been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. He believed his daughters were still alive there. 3 years the captain had decided to attempt to find her. That means in this first para, these last four parts, we will learn about how the Williams and his family built a new house. Then how is make a wonderful garden. But in this last para or the last part of this story, one day they saw sheep. That means on the island they saw a sheep. That means one day the Fritz and his father saw a ship which had laid anchor in the escarpment had been set up on a smaller island. That means on this island he saw one sheep. Hmm? After checking the people through their spyglass. That means after the checking the spyglass means small reflected telescope. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. That means after the checking people through their spyglass means the small reflected telescope, he decided to go return to home and clean it up. That means Williams and Fritz go back home and return home and clean it up. They did not want to crew to think they were savage. That means crew means the member of ship. That means he did not want to the crew. That means the member of this ship think they were savage. That means they were savage. That they next day the Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as the Jenny's. That means next day he decided to meet the captain of ship and we told the all history about the adventures. And as like this Fritz and his father next day met to the captain of the ship and told the all story about his journeys and about the islands and about the Jenny. That means he told the history to the captain of this ship. That means the last stanza, this last para. One day on the island he saw one ship on the island. After the checking these people through their spyglass, that means these people checking these people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father returned back to his home and clean it up. They did not want to crew this think they were savage. That means Fritz and his Williams and his son did not want to these people or think they were savage. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. That means next day he decided to meet the captain of ship and told all history to this voyage or all history to this travels, and he told all history to this Jenny's. Everyone surprised, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain search. That means at that time the Fritz and his father told the all history about the his voyage and these journeys. At that time all people is surprised. It has been Jenny's father who was inspired the captain search. That means the Jenny's father who was inspired the captain search. He believed his daughter will still alive after 3 years. That means they believed his daughter has still alive after 3 years. The captain had decided to attempt to find her. That means the Jenny's father to send to find the Janice to captain. Next para. With the burst of celebration, the family, the passengers. With the burst of celebration, the family, the passengers, and the crew of the British vessels headed toward the New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. That means, with the burst of the celebration, all the burst of the celebration, that means the family, that means the Swiss family, passengers, the crews means the member of ship of the British vessels headed toward the New Switzerland. That means this is a island also known as the New Switzerland. These all member of the ship, the Robinson family, the passengers, and the crews means the member of ship, all British vessels headed toward the New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivor. That means everyone was surprised, amazed the prosperity and good health of survivors. As the day ended, the father realized that decision must be made about who wanted to stay on the island. That means as the day ended, that means at the evenings, the father realized the decision must be made about who wanted to stay on the island and return with the ship. That means the last or the day ended. At that time the father asked a question to the member of the Robinson family who was the stay on this island and who was the return with this ship. The Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. That means the Elizabeth and her husband, that means William, who was want to stay on the island. That means they not wish to live anywhere without islands. That means the Williams and Elizabeth who is want to stay on the island. Why they wish to live on the island? Because of the Williams and his family, or Williams and Elizabeth spend his many time on this island. That means they spend many time on this island. Then they had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Fritz was the first to respond. He offered cheers for us who were going to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. Jack also decided to stay back. Franz and youngest boy decided to join Fritz in leaving. Franz wanted a chance to receive an academic education. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and he wished to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the islands. He handed over the journals to the captain to publish. Then the ship departed. That means the last para. He had been there for so long and had grown he had been there so long and had grown used to their life. That means the last para. At that time the Williams asked a question to his family members who want to live on the island. At that time Jenny asked the anyone would support her return to England. At that time, Jenny asked the one question: who was give support to her to return England? At that time, Fritz was the first to respond. That means at that time he asked the questions. At that time, Fritz was the first to respond due to her. He offered a chair for us who were going to Europe, and he offered chairs and he us who were going to Europe, and he also asked this who were going to Europe. Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. That means Ernest, who is want to the stay on the island, and Jack also decided to stay back. That means Jack also decided to the stay on the island. But the last member or youngest boy, Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join Fritz in living. That means the last youngest boy who was living with the Fritz, and Franz wanted to chance to receive an academic education. That means the Franz who was the wanted to the return to England because of his academic completion of the academic education before Fritz left. That means in the last stanza, the Fritz and the Franz who is the want to the go to the return England, but the Ernest and Jack who is want to the stay on the island with her father and mother. That means William and Elizabeth. You understand who is the who was the want to the go to the return England, and who was who were the want to live with the Elizabeth and Williams. Hmm? Then, before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for the Jenny. That means before the Fritz left, at that time he declared the or he told his parents to his love, and at that time he told about the love about the Jenny's, and he told the parents to love about the Jenny's, and he wished to marry her, and at that time he um, want to marry with her. And then the father had kept record of all the adventures, and at that time the father put the or kept the record all these adventures they had on the island. That means the William stay or kept the all record to the voyage or travelers on this island. He handed over the journals to the captain to publish. That means these all journals he kept on the handed to the captain to publish. That means these Williams kept out this record on the hand of the captain for the publications or published. And at that time, Williams kept the all record of his voyage or his journeys on this island. That means these Williams steady all record about his voyage and his difficulties and his travels about the about this journey. That means they stay all record all the adventures they had on the islands, and they handed over the journals to the captain to be the publisher, and they give the all the journals to handed over this captain for the published, and she was departed. That means here the story was ended, or story is ended, and this story is a happily ending. That means this story, that means the synopsis, that means the outline of this story, the Swiss Family Robinson, and the story was ended here. That means the in last part there are, that means Fritz and the youngest boy who was a France goes to the return to England, but the Williams, Elizabeth, and the two sons, that means the Ernest and Jock, who is who are the ones to live with his father and mother on this island. Thank you.